Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel where we're turning bare-bones spaces into something truly special. Today we're diving into statement pieces, those eye-catching elements that elevate a room. We're talking bold wall art, a coffee table with character, lighting that sets the mood, and more. So grab your paintbrushes and creativity caps because we're about to transform your house into a home with personality to spare. Let's kick things off with wall art. Creating your own wall art can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Not only does it allow you to express your creativity, but it also gives you a unique piece that reflects your personal style. You don't need to be an artist for this. Anyone can do it, regardless of skill level. The beauty of DIY wall art is that it's all about experimentation and having fun. We're going for abstract and textured, something gallery-worthy without the price tag. Abstract art allows for freedom and spontaneity, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned artists alike. Gather a canvas, acrylic paints, and some texturing tools like sponges or putty knives. You can find these materials at any art supply store, and they don't have to be expensive. Layer your paint, blend colors, and add texture with your tools. Start with a base layer and build up from there. Don't be afraid to mix colors directly on the canvas. Dab, scrape, swirl, there's no wrong way. Let your personality shine. Each stroke and texture you add makes the piece uniquely yours. Once you're happy, let it dry completely. This might take a few hours or even overnight, depending on the thickness of your paint layers. And there you have it, a one-of-a-kind statement piece that adds personality and warmth to your space. Display it proudly and enjoy the compliments from friends and family. Your home is now a little more you. Now let's move on to the coffee table. This is one of the most versatile pieces of furniture in your home. It can serve as a place to set your drinks, a spot to display your favorite decor items, or even a makeshift workspace. Today, we're going to show you how to create a coffee table that not only looks great, but also fits your personal style and needs. This piece gets a lot of use, whether you're entertaining guests, having a family game night, or just relaxing with a good book. So let's make it special. A coffee table can be a statement piece that reflects your personality and adds character to your living space. Start by finding a table at a flea market or thrift store. These places are treasure troves for unique pieces that have a story to tell. Don't worry about imperfections, they add character and charm to your table. Decide on a look rustic farmhouse. This style is perfect if you love a cozy, lived-in feel. Sand and stain the wood to bring out its natural beauty. Or maybe you prefer a more modern look. A bold coat of paint can transform an old table into a contemporary masterpiece. Choose a color that complements your existing decor. Add new hardware like vintage drawer pulls or sleek handles. These small details can make a big difference. Get creative with stencils to add patterns or designs that make your table one of a kind. Or try decoupage for a personal touch. Use photos, magazine clippings, or fabric to create a unique design that tells your story. Consider adding a shelf underneath for extra storage. This is a great way to keep your living room organized and clutter-free. With a little effort, you can turn a worn-out table into a conversation-starting centerpiece. Your DIY coffee table will not only be functional, but also a reflection of your creativity and style. Happy crafting. Let's talk lighting. A good light fixture can change the mood of a room. We're creating a stunning pendant light that's simple to make. Find a unique base like vintage baskets or old metal shades. You'll need a pendant light kit, easily found online or at hardware stores. Personalize it with paint, fabric, or decorative elements. Experiment with different bulb types for the right mood. With creativity and basic electrical know-how, you can create a statement-making pendant light. Mirrors are a decorator's secret weapon, making spaces feel bigger and brighter. Create your own statement mirror to complement your style. Start with a plain mirror and think about your frame. Use reclaimed wood for a rustic look or broken mirrors for a glam touch. Experiment with materials like rope leather or fabric. Attach the mirror with a strong adhesive, and there you have it, a stunning statement mirror that elevates any room. Let's head to the bedroom. Today we're diving into a fun and rewarding DIY project that will transform your sleeping space. The headboard is often the focal point of a bedroom, drawing the eye and setting the tone for the entire space. Making your own headboard not only saves money, but also allows you to customize it to perfectly match your style and preferences. Start with a piece of plywood cut to size. This will serve as the sturdy base for your headboard. Make sure to measure your bed frame to get the dimensions just right. Next, choose your fabric. Whether you prefer the natural look of linen, the boldness of patterns, or the luxurious feel of velvet, the fabric you select will greatly influence the final look of your headboard. Add foam batting over the plywood to create a soft, cushioned surface. Then wrap the plywood with your chosen fabric, pulling it tight and stapling it securely to the back. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth, professional finish. For an extra touch of elegance, use decorative nail heads. These can be added along the edges or in a pattern to give your headboard a polished, high-end look. Consider adding tufting for a classic, sophisticated appearance. Tufting involves creating evenly spaced buttons or stitches that pull the fabric inward, creating a plush textured effect. And there you have it, a beautiful upholstered headboard that adds both style and comfort to your bedroom. This custom piece will not only enhance the aesthetic of your space, but also provide a cozy backdrop for reading or relaxing. It's a project you'll be proud to say you made yourself. With a little effort and creativity, you can create a stunning focal point that reflects your personal taste and craftsmanship. Floating shelves add function and visual interest to any room. You'll need sturdy wood boards and heavy-duty shelf brackets. Choose a wood type and finish that complements your decor. Install the brackets securely into wall studs. Slide the shelves onto the brackets. Style your shelves with books, plants, and decorative objects. With creativity, you can transform your floating shelves into a stylish and organized display. And there you have it, folks. 6 DIY statement pieces to add personality and charm to your home. Have fun and let your style shine. Share your projects with me on social media. I love seeing your creativity. Until next time, happy crafting.